Imagine stepping onto a yoga mat, a simple act that sets the stage for profound mental rejuvenation. At its core, the concept of using yoga as a brain enhancer centers around the powerful synergy between mind and body. Yoga, an ancient practice developed thousands of years ago, is renowned for its physical benefits. But it is also a potent tool for enhancing brain function. Through deliberate breath control, asanas, and meditation, yoga stimulates neuronal pathways and optimizes cognitive performance. The significance of this mind-body connection cannot be overstated in our increasingly hectic world, where mental strain frequently leads to stress and burnout. By positioning yoga as a brain enhancer, we emphasize its role as more than just physical exercise. It becomes a holistic approach to mental wellness. This significance aligns beautifully with the main theme, suggesting that the mind-body marathon is not merely a physical challenge, but a path to mental clarity and resilience. Consider, for instance, the growing body of scientific evidence highlighting yoga's cognitive benefits. Regular practitioners often report improved focus and concentration, reduced anxiety, and enhanced creativity. A study published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease found that regular yoga practice can improve attention, processing speed, and memory. Another example lies in its widespread adoption in schools, where yoga sessions are integrated into curricula to help students manage stress and enhance learning outcomes, fostering environments where young minds thrive. Support for yoga as a brain enhancer extends into various health and wellness communities. Prominent yoga instructors and neuroscientists alike advocate for its inclusion in daily routines, citing personal testimonies and empirical data. They assert that yoga acts as a natural antidote to the pressures of modern life, reinforcing its reputation as an ultimate brain refresher. However, this concept is not without its challenges and controversies. Skeptics argue that the cognitive benefits attributed to yoga lack rigorous scientific validation and can be achieved through other forms of physical activity. Moreover, accessibility issues, such as the lack of availability in some regions or high costs of classes, could hinder its widespread adoption. Nonetheless, introducing yoga as a brain enhancer seamlessly connects to broader themes within the main topic. It underscores the transformative power of integrated wellness practices, highlighting how physical activity influences mental states and vice versa. Ultimately, this perspective invites audiences to view the mind-body marathon not just as a race, but as a journey toward holistic health and mental revitalization. The science behind yoga's mind-body connection revolves around the intricate interplay between mental well-being and physical health, orchestrated through the practice of yoga. This connection is rooted in yoga's ability to harmonize the nervous system, enhance emotional regulation, and promote mental clarity, achieved through the synchronization of breath, movement, and mindfulness. Scientifically, engaging in yoga stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, often referred to as the rest and digest system, which reduces stress by lowering cortisol levels and enhancing the body's relaxation response. This holistic integration is significant because it underscores yoga as a comprehensive practice that revitalizes not only the body, but also the brain, aligning perfectly with the idea of yoga as the ultimate brain refresher. A prime example of this concept in action is how yoga can mitigate the effects of anxiety and depression. Studies have shown that regular yoga practice increases the production of gamma-aminobutyric acid, a neurotransmitter that helps curb anxiety and enhances mood. Another real-world application is yoga's impact on cognitive functioning. Research indicates that yoga practitioners often experience improved attention, memory, and decision-making skills, likely due to the heightened mindfulness and focused breathing inherent in practice. Support for the mind-body connection is abundant. Many practitioners and experts attest to yoga's transformative impact on mental health, advocating for its inclusion in wellness routines. Dr. Singh, Khalsa, of Harvard Medical School, highlights yoga's efficacy in improving mental attentiveness and emotional equilibrium. However, some challenges and controversies exist. Critics may argue that scientific evidence on yoga's efficacy can sometimes be inconsistent or predominantly anecdotal. There are also concerns about the commodification of yoga in Western cultures, which some purists believe detracts from its deeper philosophical and spiritual roots. Additionally, certain physical limitations or medical conditions might prevent individuals from experiencing the full benefits of yoga, necessitating adaptations and cautious practice. Despite these critiques, the mind-body connection fostered by yoga establishes a fundamental link that supports and amplifies other aspects of its benefits. For instance, enhanced mental clarity can lead to better athletic performance in practitioners, as seen in various sports professionals who incorporate yoga into their training. Moreover, the stress-reducing qualities of yoga contribute to cardiovascular health, demonstrating the mind-body relationship's ripple effect on overall well-being. Therefore, the science supporting yoga's mind-body connection is pivotal, reinforcing the notion of yoga as an indispensable tool for refreshing and revitalizing the brain. Yoga practices stimulate brain function by engaging a combination of physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditative techniques that enhance mental clarity, improve concentration, and boost overall cognitive performance. This concept is pivotal because it illustrates how yoga acts as a bridge between physical and mental well-being, making it an ideal exercise to rejuvenate the brain in our fast-paced, stress-driven world. The significance of stimulating brain function through yoga lies in its holistic approach to health. Yoga is not merely about physical flexibility, but a comprehensive methodology that promotes neuroplasticity, enhances the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, and decreases the stress hormone cortisol. These biological effects underscore yoga's potential to sharpen our mental faculties and improve neural communication. Take, for instance, the practice of pranayama, or controlled breathing exercises. Scientific studies have shown that pranayama can improve sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system functions, leading to enhanced mood and reduced anxiety levels. Similarly, regular engagement in poses like downward dog or tree pose can improve balance, coordination, and focus. Since these exercises require the brain to integrate information from various bodily systems to maintain equilibrium. Real-world applications of yoga to enhance brain function are manifold. A growing number of corporate wellness programs incorporate yoga sessions to boost employee productivity and reduce work-related stress. Educational institutions, too, are beginning to adopt yoga practices as part of their curriculum to help students improve concentration and manage academic stress. Renowned neuroscientists and psychologists, such as Dr. Sarah Lazar at Harvard University, support the notion that long-term yoga practitioners exhibit thicker brain cortices in regions associated with attention and sensory processing. However, some skeptics argue that while yoga provides significant anecdotal benefits, more rigorous, large-scale studies are needed to validate the extent of its impact on cognitive functions. Challenges in broadly applying yoga for brain stimulation include its perceived association with spirituality, which may deter some individuals. Others argue the difficulty lies in yoga's varied approaches, which can confuse newcomers about its efficacy. Despite these challenges, yoga's influence on other aspects of the main topic, the mind-body marathon, is profound. It exemplifies the perfect synergy of physical exertion and mental refreshment, comparable to an endurance race for the mind. As more research demonstrates yoga's benefits, its integration into holistic health programs continues to strengthen. In exploring the benefits of yoga on mental health and cognitive abilities, we uncover a rich tapestry of effects on both the mind and body. Yoga, with its combination of physical postures, controlled breathing, and meditative practices, is designed to harmonize the mind, body, and spirit. This particularly supports mental health by reducing stress, alleviating anxiety, and promoting a sense of overall well-being. Cognitive abilities, including memory, concentration, and decision-making, are also enhanced as yoga stimulates brain function and neural plasticity. The significance of these benefits in relation to the mind-body marathon, why yoga is the ultimate brain refresher, is profound. In our fast-paced lives, maintaining mental sharpness alongside physical health is paramount. Yoga offers an accessible, comprehensive approach to achieving this balance, refreshing both brain and body in one practice. By emphasizing mindfulness and deliberate movement, yoga serves as a holistic antidote to the cognitive decline associated with stress and aging. For instance, research has shown that regular yoga practice can lead to a reduction in cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone, thereby improving mood and mitigating anxiety. Additionally, studies suggest that yoga enhances the brain's gray matter, particularly in areas responsible for memory and emotional regulation, presenting a compelling case for its incorporation into daily routines. Support for yoga's cognitive and mental health benefits is widespread. Many mental health professionals advocate for yoga as a complementary therapy due to its efficacy in improving psychological resilience and mental clarity. This perspective holds that yoga is not merely exercise, but a lifestyle that fosters deeper mental acuity and emotional stability. However, there are challenges and controversies associated with this viewpoint. Some skeptics argue that the psychological and cognitive benefits of yoga are overstated, often emphasizing the need for more empirical data to substantiate these claims robustly. Additionally, while yoga is generally accessible, discrepancies in practice, quality, and instructor expertise can influence outcomes, leading to varied experiences. This discussion of yoga's impact on mental health and cognition seamlessly connects to other facets of the mind-body marathon. For instance, improved mental clarity and emotional balance can enhance athletic performance, solidifying yoga's role in comprehensive fitness regimens. Furthermore, by nurturing the mind alongside the body, yoga exemplifies a sustainable approach to health that amplifies its status as an ultimate brain refresher.